taking a swim in the pool of sauce to get in my belly.
All I wanna do is feel awesome. Yeah, yeah, yeah. All I wanna do is feel awesome. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
What's up, squad? Welcome back to my channel. Today we have the Chinese food, mostly Rangoons. The main point is the Rangoons. This is just my side food, okay? I got the Singapore Mei Fun Noodles, and then I just got some Sesame Chicken with broccoli, and then this is what we're worried about. Right here, not important. Up here is what's important. We got two sweet and sour sauces. I think it's a red sauce, whatever. And then it's the Rangoons. It's the one with the cheese. So cheese wontons, Rangoons, whatever you want to call it. But yes, let's pray real quick. This is what I've been waiting for all week. Special shout out to Michelle. Thank you for recommending this place, but we shall see if this place is any good compared to the first Chinese mukbang, food mukbang video. You know what I mean. This is how it looks inside. It's cheese, cream cheese. So it's much smaller than the other place. And if you haven't watched my first Chinese food mukbang video, please go ahead and watch it. It's like the second video I uploaded, I think. That place, the Rangoons, is big. This one's a lot smaller. It's like bite size. Okay, let's try it with the sauce. They're good. They're good. Oh, they're so good. Pretty good. It's my first time trying this place. I'm gonna try the sesame chicken. With the broccoli, of course. Not bad. I've been waiting to eat this particular noodle, for the longest time now. And when I decided, you know, I'm craving Rangoons or cheese wontons, I knew I was gonna get this with it. Cheers. You're crying too. I'm really happy. I feel like this is my favorite meal that I've eaten so far on screen. I want rice with that. Give me a sec. Delivery! Got white rice. Came with the food. And then I found some miso soup, so I just brought some miso soup. This is how you eat it. That's how you eat it. That's how you eat it. So good. Like, it's so good I kind of want to cry. That is so good. It's so good. Want to see? Just gonna drink some miso soup real quick. This is not from this place. No, it's not. Miso. In my top 3 Chinese places near my house. I gotta admit, it's really good. If you're in the area, definitely check them out. I'll put down the name of this place in the description down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my video, like this video, like all my videos, and watch all my videos, including this one. Watch it to the full because I know you don't watch everything. It's good, I like it. I love this so much. I think I like it better than lo mein and chow mein. Not that you're not good, Sesame Chicken, but it's like not a special taste. Like it just tastes like Sesame Chicken. Like it's a taste that you probably expect. You know, when you think about Sesame Chicken and the reason why you ordered it, that's the taste you were like, you know. Mm-hmm. Cheers. Mmm. Good. Nice job, Michelle. Nice job. It's crazy. No matter how many I eat, it's as if it's like it's my first time, like a first bite eating it. It's like it's just so good. Miso. It's the final. It's the final countdown. Oh. Oh yeah. Taking a swim in the pool of sauce to get in my belly. Mmm. Eat your vegetables. Eat your vegetables. You need your fiber. Oh crap. Out of 32 Rangoons, I ate 29. Well, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to my channel, like this video, like my other videos, and watch this video to the full extent. Follow me on Instagram. Okay? 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 Well, ladies and gentlemen, that is it for today. I'm just going to leave it here, but stay safe. See you next time.